The main three pillars for the diabetes management are the diet, the exercise and the medication part. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Shweta, Senior Consultant Endocrinology and Diabetes at Xyla Health. Let's discuss about the management of diabetes. Basically, if we want to know about diabetes and to treat it completely for the prevention of complications, to delay the progression of disease, as well as to reverse the pre-diabetes or the patients who are in the initial stage of diabetes, we should follow this management protocol. And the main three pillars for the diabetes management are the diet, the exercise and the medication part. So first start with the diet. जैसे ही हम किसी पेशेंट से डायबिटिक मील प्लान डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी कुड डायरेक्टली रीड फ्रॉम द आई ऑफ द पेशेंट कि वो डर रहे हैं कि अब मुझे ये खाने से मना किया जाने वाला है. So here we should discuss about what a diabetic patient can eat and what is the mindful eating for a diabetic patient. Basically, we have 6 components in our food which are very important and we should not skip taking any of these components. They are very important to be taken in the balanced amount, at proper portion, quality, quantity, as well as a proper distribution throughout the day is also required. These components are the carbohydrate, protein, fat, milk and milk products, vegetables and fruits. Now talking about the carbohydrate first. Unfortunately, in our diet, if we talk about, 80% of our plate is taken up by the carb content in that. And we should move towards a healthy living by first reducing this carb content in our diet. Secondly, we should try to incorporate more whole grains in our carbohydrate. Next, about the protein. Unfortunately, in our diet, the protein content are very less, especially if we talk about the vegetarian people. And for the non-vegetarian people, I would ask them to take protein which is low in fat. Next comes the fat. We should avoid taking saturated or the solid fat content. Talking about milk and milk product, whenever we ask the patient ki you can take, so they said ki no, we are a diabetic, we are not supposed to take milk and milk product. No, it is not true. This is also very important component in our diet. We should focus on low fat content. So that means we should focus more on toned or the double toned components. Next comes the vegetables. Vegetables are good source of nutrients, they are good source of fiber, so they should be included in good amount in our diet. Now the sixth component of our diet is fruit. Yes, whenever we talk about fruit to a diabetic person, the first question that they ask, can we take fruit? Yes, you can absolutely take fruit, and even a point adding to that is you can take all fruits. You are not barred in taking mangoes or bananas or strawberries. You cannot take. In fact, you can easily enjoy these fruits. Why? Because they are rich in the nutrient, they are rich in antioxidant. They not only have good fiber content to help us in control the blood sugar, but they also have a cardioprotective effect. So yes, it's a big yes for all diabetic to have fruits, but unlike a normal person who is a non-diabetic, he can have n serving of fruit. We have to restrict the serving in a diabetic person because of the calorie content. We have to take a record of the calorie. So that's why we cannot exceed our serving, so that we cannot exceed our blood glucose level. That is very, very much important. So one serving or maximum of 2 servings of a fruit is advocated to a patient, but we have to take into account the total calorie intake. So now let's discuss ki if we want to have a healthy plate, what we should focus on. So if we want a plate and we want to eat something, target half the component of the plate should have fibers, including the vegetables, the salad, 1/4 protein and 1/4 carb, and that too whole grain fibers. This is very important. This dietary habit will help us in reducing the blood glucose level, help us in reducing the weight, and ultimately it will help us in building up the insulin sensitivity. Some few tips that we can advocate or we can use in our daily habits so that we can have a very good healthy plan and we can limit our food items. That is, First thing, we should try and take small plates in comparison to the bigger plates at home. Secondly, we should try to replace unhealthy snacks with the healthy snacks like fruit. We should try not to miss our meals. They are very important. Including meals, it is very important to have mid meals in between. Now, these all things will help us in bringing our blood sugar level down in a diabetic person. Second pillar in the management of diabetes is exercise. So, the question here is walking alone complete thing if we talk about exercise in diabetic? My answer will be no. We should try to incorporate three components in our exercise. First part that we are doing or we are all are aware of, first is the aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises अगर मैं समझाना चाहूँ तो it is like if we are moving from one place to another, like cycling हो गई, running, walking, swimming, these are the aerobic components. आप जो ट्रेडमिल पे कार्डियो करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज. Next component includes the resistant activity or the resistance exercises. These include the weight training. Weight training की जब हम बात करते हैं तो it never means कि 20-20 किलो का वजन उठा के you have to do exercise. No, you can take small weight, but you should use these weight bearing exercises because it will help in building the strength of the group of muscles. Even at home, if you want, you can take bottle of water and you can do the exercises against the gravity so that we can build up these muscles. Third component is the flexibility. That is very, very important for a diabetic person because you might have been listening or you might have witnessed about the frozen shoulders, about the joint inactivity. All three components, which is aerobic exercises, the strength building, all the resistant exercises, and third is the flexibility. These three components are important if we talk about exercise in a diabetic person.